by the authority, responsibility, and accountability vested in me as the school head of Nueva Estrella Elementary School, articulated in the Republic Act number 9155, otherwise known as the Governance of Basic Education Act of 2001. Republic of the Philippines, it is my honor to present you 47 candidates for graduation who, to my knowledge, have satisfactorily completed the minimum requirements for the basic education curriculum elementary level as prescribed by the Department of Education, Republic of the Philippines for the school year 2023-2024. 24 are males and 23 are females. It is prayerfully hoped that the graduation of these candidates from the basic education curriculum elementary level be confirmed and they be given their certificate of graduation effective today, May 30, 2024. By the authority, responsibility, and accountability vested in me as the principal of Maumawan Integrated School, Maumawan Bien Unido Bohol, upon the presentation of the school head, Ma'am Marilyn M. Garcia of Nueva Estrella Elementary School and jury of the Bien Unido District, that these 47 candidates for graduation have satisfactorily completed the requirements for the basic education curriculum for elementary level. I therefore confirm the graduation of these candidates effective May 30, 2024, and they are entitled to receive their elementary graduation certificates. As graduates of the basic education curriculum for the elementary level, you are therefore eligible to enroll in the next higher level of education, the junior high school program, in the public and private school of your choice. As a holder of the elementary certificates of graduation, you are also entitled to enjoy all the rights and privileges thereto appertaining. Congratulations! A big hand, everyone.
Thank you so much.